Hello, tech enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel, where we embark on a thrilling journey through the ever-evolving landscape of technology. Today, we dive headfirst into the captivating realm of the Internet of Things, IoT, and witness firsthand how it is reshaping our lives in ways we could never have imagined. Get ready to explore the limitless possibilities of interconnected devices, smart homes, and intelligent cities as we uncover the groundbreaking innovations and incredible potential behind this transformative technology. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we take you on a virtual tour of the IoT revolution, right here on our channel. Understanding the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a network of physical objects that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies to collect and exchange data. The IoT is rapidly growing, with experts estimating that there will be over 50 billion connected devices by 2025. This growth is being driven by a number of factors, including the increasing availability of low-cost sensors and connectivity, the growing demand for more efficient and connected products and services, and the rise of artificial intelligence, AI. The IoT has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, and retail. In this video, we will explore the basics of IoT, including how it works, the different types of IoT devices, and the potential benefits of IoT for businesses and consumers. Smart homes. Smart homes are becoming increasingly popular as people look for ways to make their lives more convenient and secure. With smart home devices, you can control your lights, thermostat, locks, and other systems from anywhere with an internet connection. You can also automate your home systems to save energy and protect your property. Smart home devices and their applications, such as smart thermostats. These devices can automatically adjust your home's temperature based on your schedule and the weather. Smart lights. These lights can be turned on and off remotely, or they can be programmed to turn on and off at certain times. Smart locks. These locks can be locked and unlocked remotely, or they can be programmed to lock and unlock automatically when you leave or come home. Security cameras. These cameras can be used to monitor your home's interior and exterior. Voice assistants. These devices, such as Amazon Echo and Google Home, can be used to control your smart home devices with your voice. Industrial IoT. Industrial IoT is the use of internet-connected devices and sensors to collect and analyze data in industrial settings. This data can be used to improve efficiency, productivity, and safety in manufacturing plants. The industrial applications of IoT, including smart factories, logistics, and agriculture. In this video, we will discuss the basics of IoT, including how it works, the benefits it can offer, and some of the challenges involved in implementing it. We will also look at some specific examples of how IoT is being used in manufacturing today. Wearable technology. Wearable technology refers to electronic devices and accessories that can be worn on the body, typically in the form of clothing, accessories, or implantable devices. These devices are designed to collect data, perform computing tasks, and provide users with a range of functionalities and services. Wearable technology includes devices like smartwatches, fitness trackers, virtual reality headsets, augmented reality glasses, smart clothing, and implantable medical devices. They offer features such as tracking physical activity, monitoring health metrics, providing notifications, enabling communication, enhancing gaming and entertainment experiences, and even assisting in medical diagnoses and treatments. With their portability and integration into everyday life, wearable technologies are shaping the way we live, work, and interact with our surroundings. Smart cities. Smart cities use data and technology to improve the quality of life for their citizens. They can use sensors to monitor traffic and optimize transportation, smart meters to track energy usage and reduce waste, or social media to engage citizens in decision-making. Smart cities have many potential benefits, such as increased efficiency and productivity, improved sustainability and environmental protection, enhanced public safety and security, improved quality of life for citizens, and increased economic growth and competitiveness. The future of smart cities is bright. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and effective ways to use data and technology to improve the quality of life in our cities. Security and privacy concerns. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the network of physical devices or things embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and connectivity to the Internet that enables these objects to collect and exchange data. Data collection. IoT devices can collect a wide variety of data, including personal information such as names, addresses, and phone numbers. This data can be used to track users' movements, activities, and habits. Data security. IoT devices are often connected to the internet, which makes them vulnerable to cyber attacks. Privacy settings. IoT devices often have complex privacy settings that can be difficult for users to understand. Emerging trends and future outlook. The Internet of Things, IoT, is rapidly transforming the world around us. In 2023, the number of IoT devices is expected to reach 29 billion, and the market size is projected to reach $33.74 billion by 2027. This growth is being driven by a number of factors, including the increasing availability of low-cost sensors and connectivity, the growing demand for automation and efficiency, and the rise of artificial intelligence, AI. Some of the emerging trends in IoT include 5G connectivity. 5G is the next generation of cellular network technology, and it offers much faster speeds and lower latency than 4G. Artificial intelligence. AI is being increasingly used to analyze the data collected by IoT devices. Blockchain. Blockchain is a secure and tamper-proof way to store data. This makes it ideal for applications that require secure data sharing, such as supply chain management and smart contracts. The future of IoT is bright. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and groundbreaking applications for IoT. These applications have the potential to make our lives easier, more efficient, and more sustainable. Entrepreneurial opportunities. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a rapidly growing field with a wide range of potential applications. This means that there are many opportunities for entrepreneurs to get involved in IoT and build successful businesses. There you have it, the exciting world of IoT and its transformative impact on our lives. Join us next time as we delve into more groundbreaking technologies that shape our future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others eager to embrace the IoT revolution. Until then, stay connected.